Would you believe it? Right in the heart of the most desolate wilderness, where human footprints can be counted on one hand, exists a giant machine. It lies dead silent under the canopy of ancient trees, entirely bound by moss and vines like a curse. A heavy-duty excavator, rusted crimson, rotting down to every single bolt. How many years has it been lying here? Why was such a massive fortune abandoned in this remote abyss? Today, we will decode that mystery and bring this mechanical beast back from the dead. To rescue this magnificent machine, the salvage team must use chainsaws to cut through nature's shackles. Every steel cable is pulled taut, dragging the multi-ton iron block out of its decades-old quagmire. Once brought back to the workshop, the grand surgery begins. The high-pressure washer acts like a sword, slicing away the crust of time. Hundreds of pounds of mud and green moss are blasted away, revealing the inner iron armor. An incredibly satisfying feeling. The exterior has been revealed, but the true soul lies within the engine bay. The hood is thrown open, the heart of the beast is rusted and seized tight. Every gear, every cylinder is carefully disassembled. The sandblaster runs at full capacity, blowing away the ravages of time. Pitch-black crankshafts are polished to a brilliant shine. Fresh engine oil is pumped into its veins. The engine block is gradually taking shape, restoring its heartbeat. finally, the transformation phase. The original yellow paint is applied ... proud and brilliant. No one could recognize the desolate pile of scrap iron from the deep forest anymore. The steel tracks are tightened, the bucket reaches high, and the fateful moment has arrived. The key is turned ... the exhaust unleashes a powerful plume of black smoke. The roaring sound tears through the space. The beast of the old forest ... has officially awakened. The awakening of the forest beast was just the beginning. Nature's graveyard is vast, and its depths hold even darker secrets. Deep beneath the crushing pressure of the ocean lies another fallen titan. A massive Komatsu D275A Bulldozer, swallowed by the sea for decades. Its steel armor is now an artificial reef, completely encrusted with barnacles and coral. For years, it has rested in absolute darkness, surrendered to the salt and the tide. Raising a 50-ton behemoth from the ocean floor is a mission of extreme peril. Divers risk their lives in the murky depths to secure heavy-duty flotation bags. Thick steel cables are locked into place, preparing to fight the immense suction of the seabed. Slowly, inch by inch, the giant is pulled from its watery grave.
Bring it down easy, watch the stern. Copy that, lowering now. Easy now. Bring it down slow. Watch the blade, right side.
As the beast breaks the water's surface, a cascade of seawater pours from its tracks. A victorious moment, but the real war against corrosion has just begun. Back at the shipyard, the brutal reality of saltwater damage is exposed. The high-pressure water jet tears through the thick layer of marine life, slicing away years of ocean buildup to reveal the decaying steel beneath. Every bolt, every joint is locked in a tight grip of rust. It requires extreme heat, heavy sledgehammers, and relentless patience to break them free. The tracks, once capable of crushing boulders, are now stiff and paralyzed.
Easy now, just a few more inches. Got it, looks aligned.
All right, easy now. Keep it coming slowly. Watch the left side.
Piece by piece, the giant is stripped down
Okay,
to its
steady as
bare
she goes.
bones. Salt water is the ultimate destroyer of mechanics. The massive engine is finally hoisted out. Inside the block, a nightmare of rust and ruined metal awaits the mechanics. But they refuse to give up. The engine block is thoroughly cleaned and machined. Old, seized pistons are discarded, making way for brand new, gleaming components.
Bring it down easy, just a few more millimeters. Clear on this side? Perfect.
Crankshafts are meticulously polished to perfection. The heart of the beast is slowly being rebuilt from scratch, breathing life back into the iron. After weeks of grinding and welding, it's time for the transformation phase. The scarred frame is sanded down and coated in a fresh, protective layer of primer. Then comes the iconic yellow paint, restoring its original glory. Sleek and vibrant, erasing all memories of its watery grave. The heavy tracks are reinstalled, and the massive dozer blade is locked into place.
A little more to the right, Ken. Easy now.
All right, she's sitting flush. Pass me the bolts.
How's the alignment looking?
Looks good
It
from here.
stands proud
Set
once
the pins
again,
down.
a masterpiece of mechanical resurrection.
This detail here looks good.
Yeah, agreed. She's ready for testing.
The moment of truth has arrived. The operator steps into the brand new cabin. The key is turned. A triumphant roar echoes through the yard. Big black smoke shoots from the exhaust. The Leviathan of the deep has finally returned to conquer the earth.